Welcome to Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, the heartbeat of Door County and one of the most scenic getaways to the Door Peninsula. Nestled where Green Bay meets Lake Michigan, this charming city of just under 10,000 people sits on a natural harbor shaped like a sturgeon, the very fish that gave it its name, thanks to the Menominee people who first called this the Bay of the Sturgeon. Sturgeon Bay's story begins in the mid-1800s. The first permanent settler built a house right on the waterfront in 1850. By the 1860s, the town had sawmills humming and was shipping limestone from local quarries all over the Great Lakes. But everything changed in the early 1880s when engineers carved out the Sturgeon Bay Ship Canal, a 1.4-mile shortcut straight through the peninsula. Before the canal, ships had to risk the deadly waters of Death's Door at the tip of the peninsula. The canal turned Sturgeon Bay into a major shipping hub almost overnight. Suddenly, thousands of vessels were passing through, and the city's maritime identity was born. In town today, in the historic 3rd Avenue, the heart of downtown with its boutique shops, galleries, and a 3rd Avenue playhouse. The Michigan Street Bridge, built in 1931, still lifts for passing ships, a reminder that water traffic still rules here. Sturgeon Bay is wedged in between two very scenic Wisconsin state parks, the Potawatomi State Park and Whitefish Dunes. Sunset Park offers perfect picnic views of the working shipyard, while the Door County Maritime Museum right on the waterfront lets you tour a restored historic tugboat and dive deep into the stories of lighthouse keepers, ship captains, and the men and women who built these vessels. It's all here: maritime history, small town charm, and that unmistakable Door County welcome. By the late 1800s, shipbuilding took center stage. Local yards started with wooden schooners for the lumber trade, then moved into steel. But Sturgeon Bay's finest hour came during World War II. 4 shipyards here employed over 7,000 workers, many of them women stepping up for the war effort, and launched a new ship every 5 days. That's 258 vessels total: cargo ships, tugs, tankers, even submarine chasers. Sturgeon Bay literally helped win the war on the water. Today that legacy lives on at the Fincantieri Bay Shipbuilding, still one of the largest shipyards on the Great Lakes. You can still see those massive gantry cranes towering over the canal, symbols of the working waterfront that never quit. Sturgeon Bay isn't just a stop on the way up north, it's a destination that blends living history with breathtaking scenery. Whether you're here for the ships, the sunsets, the fishing, or just the peaceful waters, this place leaves its mark on you. Thanks for flying along with us today. If you love Wisconsin's hidden waterfront gems, hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more drone adventures coming from around the state and more. Until next time, safe travels, and we'll see you on the water.